Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Joe Hindy, the Android Authority app guy, and it's nearing the end of March, which means it's time to look back at the best new Android apps that were released over the last month. If you want to check out any of these apps for yourself, you can find those links in the video description below. Bard is a fun little application. It lets you find YouTube videos, cut them up, and then make little clips that you can share on various social media sites. The application includes a variety of pre-selected videos, that way you can learn how to use it. You can add other YouTube videos as well, and the ones that you add will be accessible to other users. It's not the most amazing thing ever, but it's a fun way to make a few clips that could bring some humor to some. It's free to download with no in-app purchases. Corneal Fly is a customization app. It cuts off the corners of your phone and rounds them up for you. It's similar to what you'd see on the LG G6. Ironically, this application actually works pretty well on the G6. The basic features are free to use. There are additional options such as different corner sizing available if you happen to purchase the Pro version. Going Pro also removes all of the advertising. It doesn't do much in terms of functionality, however, it's a fun customization if you're looking for something a little different. Energy Bar is another Android customization app. It allows you to display your battery on top of your status bar. That way you can easily see how much you have left. You can configure it so it's a small bar at the top, and those who buy the full version can use the entire status bar if they so choose. You'll be able to customize things like the colors on the bar. It's not the best thing ever, but it's great for themers who want to try something different. Focus Timer Reborn is actually a productivity app. It works by helping you time the parts of your day where you're working and then the times of the day where you don't. When it goes off, you set the break timer so you don't dilly-dally around and get back to work in a prompt fashion. The general idea is to help you stay on track and be as productive as possible without burning yourself out. It also keeps a log so you can see how well you've been doing. It's free to download and use, so it's worth a shot if you've been slacking at work lately. Google is slowly stretching Hangouts into its own suite of business-oriented communication apps. Hangouts Meat is one of those apps. It's a video chat app that lets you join meetings as well as conference calls. You can get the video function or disable the video portion and just use your voice instead if you want to. It supports up to 30 participants, integrates with Google Calendar, and a whole lot more. You can join meetings as you please, but you'll need a G Suite account to make full use of the features. The application itself is free to download. IQBoxe is an expense management application. As you can imagine, it can help you track expenses. It features OCR support to help you digitize your receipts for future reference. It's an essential tool for tax season, especially for freelancers and those who need to keep tracks of things for deductions. It has a simple material design interface, and the application also boasts no human behind the curtain, so there is no one reading your receipts when you scan them. It won't replace large expensive tracking suites, but it's a great tool to augment them. Meteor is a new speed testing application. It'll measure your download speed, upload speed, and ping like most speed testing apps. What makes it different is that it'll give you a rough estimate of how good or bad your experience will be with applications that require data. It'll also keep a log so you can check out your previous scores. It has some bugs that still need to be addressed, however, it's completely free with no in-app purchases or advertising, so there's that. NBA VR is a new Google Daydream app. It lets you view special content from the NBA, and that includes interviews, highlights, and other basketball-related content. Unfortunately, it doesn't let you watch entire games, at least not yet. You'll be able to download this on Google Daydream-enabled devices only, and that unfortunately means that most people won't be able to use this one. In any case, it's free with no in-app purchases if you're interested. PicsBar helps your device look a bit more like a Google Pixel. It works by adding a few graphical elements to your navigation bar, and then you move them around until they line up with your existing buttons. The result makes your phone look like a Pixel. It doesn't support every device just yet, and there are some bugs that need to be worked out. However, it does actually work on devices that run stock Android. It's 99 cents to try it out, but you can always get a refund if you don't like it. Supersonic is a new messaging application with a fun premise. You'll be able to message people using your voice. You hold the button, record your voice, and then you send it, and then the recipients can listen to the messages. The application also converts what you say into cute little messages rife with emoji. So far it seems to work well enough, although the feature set is a little bare bones. We don't anticipate it becoming the next WhatsApp or Snapchat, but we're sure it's fun for at least some people. And that about does it for this one, folks. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you can get the latest Android Authority videos as soon as we release them. Also, don't forget that all of these applications are linked up in the video description below just in case you want to check them out. As always, thanks for watching everybody, and have a wonderful day.